Tēnā tātou, ko Maya taku ingoa, my name's Maya and I'll be posting videos up to help explain the process of a representation review and the inclusion of Māori wards in Aotearoa. Whakataane District Council is currently carrying out a representation review for the 2022 and 2025 local elections. Nō reira, he aha te arotake whakaahuatanga. What is a representation review? Local council elections are held every 3 years, so you can vote for who will represent you as mayor, councillors and community board members. Councils must review their representation structure once every 6 years, and that time for the Whakataane District is now. This review involves deciding the number of councillors for general and Māori wards, how councillors are elected, and whether or not we have community boards. In May this year, Council voted unanimously to include Māori wards as part of our representation structure. At the moment, Council are working through options of what the new structure will look like for the next elections. So I'll leave you to absorb that information for now, and the next time I'll have a kōrero about the information that Council needs to take into account to make a decision on the representation review. Ka kite anō.